and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden and this is actually future editing Eden. I realized while I was editing the video that I didn't really give an actual introduction or intro to the video. I just started the video, so apologies. So I'm here for the introduction video obviously, and yes, we just went to Kelva beach. It is I don't really know where exactly it is, but because I'm really bad with places and remembering names and everything. But yeah, if you just type Kelva beach in your maps, you'll be able to find it. And it was a spontaneous plan, not really spontaneous, but yeah, it was kind of out of a blue plan, and it kind of worked. It was really fun. The roads are amazing. There were also ghats, and the best part about that place is it's so peaceful. Oh my god, like you can go there with your friends, you can go there with your family, children, or whatever it is you want to, whoever you want to go with. That place is really nice. And you also get like food there. Like we went like for a picnic, so obviously we carried food with us. But if you don't want to carry anything and you just want to go there, they give you like mats for like 20 rupees for the whole day, and like you can rent them. And there are stalls, like a lot of stalls, food stalls, and like chaat and all of that. Yeah, it's for an entire day you can really go there. And there are actually resorts also, like when you enter that lane. So yeah, you can have like an overnight thing also if you want. But I would really recommend you guys, if you want to go for a day out picnic kind of a vibe. The next day we went home because it was Sunday, which was Mother's Day. So we went home and I just brought a little something for mom. So we went home and I just gave that to her, because the next morning I had to wake up early, so we had to come back home. But yeah, it was a really fun weekend. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, so we are heading to Kelva beach, and right now we have 3 bikes. That is Callahan's bike, this is our bike, this is Talon's bike.
They have names.
This is Talon.
They have names.
Oh yeah, they have names. This is Tina, this is Claire, and this is Paulina.
I don't even
So
remember.
we're all here now, and we are. Nana has come.
Video.
Ignore my hair. It's just funny story. Okay, anyways, not really funny, but anyways. So this is my mask, and I'm wearing the helmet. This is my helmet. I'm wearing a helmet for the first time, so it's really awkward. So now we're having sugarcane juice because we need some sugar because the heat. It's so freaking hot, and it's just bad. Okay, so we're going to drink sugarcane juice now. Cheers. Okay, that's all you're attempting to drink. So guys, we are, I don't know if you all can hear, but we have stopped at a petrol pump because we are now ready to fill fuel. 40 minutes.
22 kilometers now. Now more 25 kilometers.
So now we
23
are
kilometers now.
halfway through. We need
business is beer.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get. It's Maharashtra.
You were thinking cold cuts, no? Cold cuts we ordered in the morning only. She ordered in the morning. Because we didn't know either we get cold cuts or not.
Guys,
We get raw chicken that is there.
yeah, this
Raw
is
chicken
the
will get. You have to run.
craziest stuff, bro.
I came on this.
She doesn't have shoes to wear. I told her wear your shoes or else your feet is going to get burned.
Yeah.
At last she wore the socks and she was like, no, it looks ugly. I said, no, you wear and come. You wear and come.
So we've reached the beach. These are all the stalls that are there here, and this is the entrance. Like, we had to park the bike outside, and now we are walking towards the beach. This kind of looks like it's giving Buigaon beach ka vibes. People from Vasai will know what I'm talking about. Look, the trees. Doesn't it look like Buigaon? This fellow wants to kill me. Okay. I can see the waves. Let's see how the water is. Sorry, the sand. Because we are going to have a picnic there. So yeah, I will talk to you all in some time. Oh, they have Tadpolas. It's my favorite. I'll have that later. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later when I am sitting, okay? Because I'm tired. Bye. So we finally reached our picnic spot and we walked like a lot, okay? We walked like a lot from the entrance till the spot, till the sweet spot, and we just laid our sheet down and we are going to like relax. Calus, yeah, I'm wondering where is Callan gone?
Dali.
We're having beers, and beers are not allowed, but we're still having it anyways. And we are having some yummy-licious sausages.
Made in beer.
Made in beer.
Sorted in beer.
Sorted in beer. The clan. And it's super peaceful. And it's lovely. It changes from
Beer and wine. आंटी आपका नाम क्या है? आज का नाम व्हाट्स नेम?
आपका नाम क्या है?
आपका नाम? नाउ?
राहुल का सुशीला.
सुशीला.
क्या? वो हमारा बात.
Okay guys, so Tilon is going to walk on his knees on this heat, in this heat, in this thing. Go on Tilon, at least go on your knee and come back. Just keep it inside the freezer, bro.
How long?
For 20 minutes.
We'll give 60 rupees. Can we go?
What do you want to jump on that man?
I'll go and jump and touch the train.
Eden, what's on your plate?
Huh? I'll show you. All the help. I appreciate it. Oh my god. It's a freaking task to pee over here.
And then?
But it felt good, so thank you. I do appreciate the empty bladder now. And now I can eat food. So I'm gonna show you all what we are eating. It's a fish thali and there's a fried pomfret and some prawn potato curry or something. Rice bhakri is my favorite. Rice and yeah, that's it. So I will show you all how it looks. It looks very oily though, but I'm sure it's going to taste yummy because these fisher folk people, their food is really good. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my pants because I'm wearing guy pants, so not very used to it. So that's my look. Thank you. Bye. So this is the food. This is some prawn gravy, rice bhakri, pomfret fry, and that gravy thing. So I'm gonna eat now. What's up? It is 4 p.m. and we just had our lunch and we're just chilling, all of us. And we've actually changed places because the sun was hitting there, and so we came this side.
Can you feel little cold here?
But now the sun's gone down, so it's nice and
Cold here, suddenly
windy.
Then the warm air.
And the ocean looks really pretty,
From there, when you're sitting there.
and the water looks sparkly. And we can see like horses and camels and all of these things over
Now it's
there.
come. Now cold is come. Now cold is
It's really pleasant, having a really nice time. And now we're going to do something when it's at my top.
Memory game से अच्छा खंबा खंबा खेलते.
No, memory game. This is like sitting to it.
Okay, anyways, so now we are just planning. I don't know what we're planning to do, but we are thinking of playing some game. I'm sitting on this portable chair, which is fun.
No, see that's a better history that you can do. I mean,
Hey, Kunal. Human flag.
Lion. अरे memory game bro, I'm saying lions. अरे lion and tiger, you have to say like that. See, it should be the sequence.
He learned it and game nice.
Call center वाला game खेल रहा है यार.
Time pass है bro.
हम लोग वो गेम है ना when you are 8 years old हम लोग खेला.
No, I just played before. But अभी परसों को खेला था तो याद आ गया. Let's play. Yeah. A little more low, dude.
We have just left. We're heading back home. Mother's Day special.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I can't barely sit. I'm bath and all also.
So you can remove this thing. You can remove the pendant.